curly girls. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make workout videos, story times, so hit that subscribe button to see more. If you want to see me sweating up in the gym, all that stuff. And if you're returning, I love you, and I appreciate every single one of your views and likes. Ask them, girl. Trust me, I do. Mwah. Today's video is a highly requested meal prep video. I prep my lunches every single Tuesday. I do my groceries and prepare my meals for the entire work week. I like to make things with variety to make sure that what I eat during the week isn't too boring. I'm going to show you how I meal prepped for this week. I'm going to have all the recipes posted here, and then I'll post them in the description box below as well, so make sure you check that out. To gain weight, you need to eat more than you burn, which is a calorie surplus. You need to be eating in excess of calories so that your body has more than enough energy to use for building muscles. If you're looking to lose weight, this video isn't really for you, but you would need to eat less than what you burn, which is a calorie deficit. For you to gain muscle and weight, you need to fill up on plenty of carbs and fat. You also need to be eating 3 square meals a day. For the stir fry, you're going to need 2 zucchinis. Zucchinis have a sweet taste, which I find satisfies your sweet cravings. You're going to cut both ends off, then slice it right down the middle. You're then going to make an additional cut to make it even smaller, and then dice them up into small, tiny pieces. We're going to slice our sweet potatoes up into thin slices, and we're going to save these for later. But for this recipe specifically, we're going to cube them. I really love sweet potatoes because it really makes you feel full. Throw them all into one big pot so that you have one huge medley of vegetables, and it just looks beautiful. Mwah. Chop up the bell peppers and add those in there too. Chop the onions, try not to cry while you do. A little tip is that if you keep your onion in the fridge, it won't make you cry as much. If you would like the sweet potatoes to be a little bit softer, you can boil them in a little water to soften them up. We're going to do this, but we're going to be using these cubed sweet potatoes to make mashed sweet potatoes. So we'll do that later. Now comes the fun part. We're going to add the teriyaki sauce all over the vegetables. Look at that, delicious. And we're going to cook them on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until they're nice and tender. Don't overcook them so that they're too soft. I wish you could smell this because it smells delicious. Oh my god, and it's healthy. Wow. It can be mixed with any protein you would like. Recipe added shrimp, but you can use ground turkey, ground beef, whatever you want. The next recipe is chipotle chicken with garlic mashed potatoes. I just discovered this recipe and it satisfies those who have those savory cravings and like a little sweet. Don't forget, all this information will be also listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Gather all your ingredients and we're gonna get to cooking. We're gonna marinate our chicken with various spices and the roasted chipotle sauce. We're gonna let this sit while we're preparing the rest, and we're gonna let it marinate. We're going to take some of the sliced up sweet potatoes, which is cut thinly that we did before, to allow it to cook faster, and we're going to season it and give it a little bit of flavor. I used paprika, cumin, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. The garlic spread will be added last after the potatoes are cooked. You're going to preheat the oven to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a pan and spread the potatoes out. Add a few drops of water to let them steam a bit. Cook it for about 20 minutes or until it's tender to the touch. If you use the fork to poke it, the fork should go through without much force. Then you're going to take it out of the oven when it's nice and tender and just crush them slightly, being careful not to break the skin too much and to flatten them. Now you're going to spread a little bit of garlic spread over each of them. You can add some of the Parmesan cheese on top and let it melt. Another option would be to make these mashed. When the chicken is done marinating, put it in the oven to bake until it's not red in the inside, about 20 minutes. You can add a little water to the pan just to make sure the chicken doesn't dry out. But the end result, you have this nice hot steaming plate of deliciousness. And the good thing is that this can be combined with so many things. I made plates of the veggie stir fry with mashed potatoes, rice and ground turkey. I added some garlic to the mashed potatoes. There's endless possibilities. Sweet potatoes are your friends, okay? Support them, love them, sweet potatoes. For more meal prep videos like this video, okay, it really supports me. It's free for you. It takes 10 calories just to double tap that. So go ahead, support your girl. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.